Fucking bollocks.
No, don't worry. I won't take any credit for your fine chefery, David.
No problem.
No, it's all good. It looks lovely. You're going for that kind of...
I'm going for that charred as fuck on the far side look.
Yeah, that, you know, a wood-fired approach to the steak cooking. Fair play to you, bud. Looking awesome.
Hey, you have to get the fire in the back.
Oh, jeez, look at that. Gourmet shit. I swear to God, that's lovely. Fair play to you, that's something else. Chef Carl on duty.
But there's actually gas when you get down below the smoke.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
It's actually fine, and there's a flame down as well.
If you sit low, it's grand, you know.
Sit low.
Now that's the nicest hot whiskey I've ever witnessed being made in my life.
I tell you.
No joke. That's probably the most atmospheric looking hot whiskey. Where did you say the honey was made?
Cherry Orchard in Dublin.
Wow, awesome.
Tella honey.
Yeah, that is just beautiful, man. Savage. Absolutely miserable, but so much fun. Pike! Oh! Hey! Get him off whenever you're ready. Fair play to you. Well done, Mike. Yay, first fish of the expedition. Little Jack. Yeah. Well, I'm just going to go for it and hope for the best. Is it?
You wait for something to happen.
Yeah.
For it to happen to you.
Yeah. Looks like base camp for the first night up ahead. I'm knackered. This is why you buy a two-man camping tent with a porch. It's horrible outside and I'm toasty out. It's fantastic. Gadget, man.
Hot water. Fluffy, you know. Fluffy compensated. Isn't he really warmer?
Yeah, it's a bit big, isn't it?
That's all. I need two.
Mind you, everyone around the campfire is also jealous, Niall, so you know what I mean.
Yeah. It's not the worst. Like, it's not the best either.
It's not too far off like a normal bottle of Hennessy, like. No, neither do I.
It's shit.
I was saying to the brother-in-law, we're all in a family group. I'm like, see you probably prick. You're still down there, eh? I get fucked out every so often.
It's absolute plant. It's rotten.
Someone hold it over the fire there, don't drop it in, the log will. I'll take a picture.
We still need that tarp.
Where's the bloody...
label in, yeah.
Where's the bloody label, man?
Yeah, that's it. Okay, hold it.
Fire away whenever you're ready. Moldovan brandy. You couldn't drink it, but you might as well put it on the fire. Woohoo! It makes great rocket fuel.
Can I have that with ice? Okay, let's go.
Go again, we have to go again, don't we?
Go on, give it another lash. Woo!
I can't believe he's wasting it.
I'm really short of water. Actually, I'm completely out of water. I have no water.
We have loads of everything else.
I have a can somewhere in my tent, I'm not gonna have.
We're emerging from the woods. Well, at least I am. The first of us are up. And it's a lovely morning. A lot less rain than we were fearing. Kites are still on the bank. At least they didn't go. My one is still there too. Good. And I need coffee, so there's only one solution to this when you're not carrying too much water. And that's... boil it. Rainwater. Fantastic. This is the job. I also have a filter. So I'll fill that up and make coffee. Fantastic.